You've decided to change your desktop OS and need to install Ubuntu 20, which is the newest version of this OS, but you don't know how to get started, so you are in the right place. First, you need to download this OS from Ubuntu website, but note that you should choose the desktop version. In this tutorial, I installed this popular OS on my Vmware Workstation Pro 16, which if you want to know how you can easily download and install this hypervisor on your system, you can check that on this channel. So let's start by pressing the startup button and wait for boot up process to complete. It first checks your disk for any error, but don't need to worry. In this welcome page, we have two options, which are try Ubuntu, and if you want to see this OS environment, and the other is install Ubuntu, which in this case we select English and hit the install button. In this part, choose your keyboard layout and click continue. In this page you can choose normal installation, which gives you more features and utilities than minimal installation. Part, check the install third-party box for third-party software. And click continue. Okay, as you see here, we have two methods for partitioning, which you can completely erase your entire disk to install Ubuntu or check something else to manually resize or partitioning your disk. This confirmation page for this partitioning. And next you need to set up your local time zone. In this section, complete this phase by importing your name and password. And boom, it starts the installation progress, and when it finishes, you need to reboot your system. Okay, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to hear that. Also, for more tutorials, hit the subscribe button and like the video if you liked it. Thank you.